In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Then type in Samsung voice recorder. And download this free app from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select Continue, tap on Skip, and select Accept. Finally, use this red button at the bottom. Select while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the second one. Then, after the setup, use the same button, this time to turn on recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To delete it right away, pause it, hit discard on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, make sure that recording is unpaused and click on Place Pin, also on the left. Then type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. If you wish to save and end your recording, click Save on the right. Then tap on Save at the top right corner. And as you can see, after that my recording was successfully created and saved. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, you can hold it and click on this icon between a heart and a bin one. Or click on those three dots and select Rename. Either way, after typing in wherever you want to, hit OK. To delete your recording, you can also hold it, tap on this bin and confirm your choice in the pop-up, or click on those three dots again and select Delete at the bottom of the list. Then choose Delete and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!